Today I am here in Port City, Gwadar, where the so-called developmental project of Pakistan and China project has taken place from the last 10 years. And there is authority, Gwadar Development Authority, and due to this, the so-called mega project and the defaulted infrastructure, the portal city of Gwadar, due to heavy rains, there has been flood that has destroyed multiple homes, and several peoples are also homeless there, and their livelihoods are shattered. And you can see behind me there is the port city of Gwadar, and behind me its port, and the so-called developmental project where where I am standing, this is where the native people lives there. And according to them, the flood is not because of the heavy rains, but the flood is because of the infrastructure and because of the mega project that has built the city like this, that the natives are suffering most, and those who have built the city, it's like this, that the infrastructure has created this flood. And from the last 5 days, the people in Gwadar people are suffering. Their homes are being destroyed, and there are water in their homes, but the district administration is incompetent, and even though you cannot see any person from the government that can be seen there and that's helping the individual. And it's not the first time. There are multiple cases when the floods have been used for the international aid. Pakistan has been using floods for the international aid, and that aid couldn't reach the public here. So I am here and reporting from this region, and have surveyed all of this region. There is not a single home is not affected by the recent floods, and not even their homes, their livelihood, and their whole lives depends upon the sea. They are all living there, but their livelihood is also shattered, and all of their homes are shattered. Now they have no jobs and no homes, and living on behalf of this people, we address you that please come and help these people, and the so-called developmental project, which is the cause of the sufferings of these people. This is the so-called developmental project that has caused this suffering, and people there in Gwadar are suffering from all kinds of diseases there, and they are homeless, and they have no one to help them. I urge you all and those who are listening us that this climate change has devastated the native life, and they need your help right now. Come and help them, any organization, especially the climate rights activists and those who are working on this project. Please come here and help those natives that are living there. They have no one, nowhere to go, and they have no one to help. The government here is incompetent, even though these governmental projects are the sole reason of the destruction of this Gwadar city. Thank you.
Doctor, behind you is the Gwadar port, and now you have been visiting the local population. How do you see the... behind you there is the Gwadar port, and now you are visiting the common people, their houses. How the international community, you appeal that they should come forward to help the Gwadari, the common Baloch people, because this is, as you said, this is a state disaster, not the natural disaster.
Yeah, because from the last 5 years we have raised concerns on all of the Baloch people that these mega projects have created chaos in this, and these mega projects are to loot our resources. They have not developed these projects to develop the whole native population of Gwadar. They have been arrested multiple times. There are multiple checkposts there that are used to intimidate and arrest the local population, and they are forced to leave their homes to go to another area. And this is because of this, that they have created a city where the natives are lived on. They have got nothing. But behind me is the port, and the port is safe, even though they even tried to divert the water that is from the port to in their own city or native city, and all people here, they see no development. They say that this infrastructure and this mega project is cause of this flood, and they need their help, and the help should be given by the international community to the native population, because none of the aids have been reached to the native population. They are homeless, and their livelihoods are shattered, and they have nothing to live there. So we urge all of the international community to come in Gwadar and to see on your own behalf that how much destruction has been caused by the state mega project and the state port that has devastated the whole lives of these people. They even don't have the chance to go and have a livelihood from their own basis. So thank you very much. And you can see behind me and in front of me there is not a single home is being spared by the flood, and not a single person is there standing that is not affected. The people are helping themselves, and no government official, nothing. They have declared an emergency, but you cannot see any one of them there in the city that could help people. And even though still water is present in their homes, and they are still suffering, and there are multiple diseases. They don't have anything to eat. They don't have any place to live. They are helped by the own people, but the government and the state is not helping them. So I urge all of the international community and those NGOs that are working, so please come in Gwadar and help the people for themselves, because the aid that you give to the state and government, that is not reached and that is not given directly to this community.
These are planning and projects were designed in that house, which is called PC. And here we are looking the city. So what is the difference? What do you think our planning makers in Pakistan, they want that Baloch should
No,
be
there are two cities there. One city is the oppressed city, and the second city is the oppressor city. You can see behind me is the oppressed. The oppressors have built their own city, and in front of me is those people that lived there from the last 2 to 3 centuries, and this is the city that's called Gwadar, and it lacks the main basic facilities. And it is when the billionaire project has been made, they have been promised, and the fake developmental projects have promised that they will develop and they will provide the all resources to the native population, but the native population couldn't get any of the basic facilities and any of the rights. Basically, these projects are made to loot the resources of Baloch people and to aid the oppression and to strengthen the oppression. Thank you.
Thank you.